Now that I've created a sales quotation, I now want to confirm it and then convert it to a sales order in Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management. So I'm going to navigate to the Sales and Marketing module. Go ahead and collapse everything so it's a little bit easier to see. Then I'll click on Sales Quotation and I'll click on All Quotations. As you can see, we have the quotation from earlier and it is still in the status of sent. What I'll go ahead and do is we can confirm this quotation, and when I do that, it will automatically be converted to a sales order. So underneath the follow-up tab, we have confirm, cancel, or lost quotation. I'll go ahead and click confirm, and then I'll need to specify why. So for instance, it might be for the reason of price. So we also have other reasons, maybe competitor, if it's lost, or reputation, for instance. So I'll select price, and then we can see the overall quotation and the lines, and I'll go ahead and click OK. And as you can see, our quotation is now in the status of confirmed. So what we'll go ahead and do, I'll navigate back to Sales and Marketing. I can also access sales orders from accounts receivable as well if I wanted to. I'll go ahead and open up sales orders here and click on all sales orders. And as we can see here, if I go all the way to the bottom, we now have Cave Wholesales. And this is my sales quote that has now been confirmed to a sales order. So if I click on the sales order number, we can see the HDMI cables for 1,000 of them. And this is the same exact quotation, just converted into a sales order now.